Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a really cool rocking drill it feels like butter. It's a simple thing or adjustment you can make to rocking that really feels very smooth, and it teaches you how to pull yourself down into a squat. And what I mean by that is, well, when you squat, you can let gravity do it and kind of fall into a squat, or you can actively use your muscles and pull yourself down into a squat. Anyway, I'm going to show you this fantastic drill, but I did not come up with this drill on my own. Not that I come up with any of these movements on my own, but my friend Kirsten Martin showed me how to do this, I don't know, a year and a half ago, and I dismissed it because she likes to do this on the top of her stairs. And I was like, well, I have hardwood floors and I don't want to, I'm a tender, I got soft knees. And really, the truth is the only way I could do it on my stairs is I had to go upstairs, and I was being lazy, and I had hardwood floors. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to do her drill. Kirsten, thank you for showing me this. But if you have hardwood floors, you just get a mat, or you get a bolt. Like, you don't even need stairs. You can do this on the edge of your bed, and all you're going to do is put your feet off the side. So normally when we rock, our feet are on the ground, obviously. So you let your feet hang off the side, and you use your feet to pull your body back into the rock. So you use your feet to pull. Now this drill is really neat because, well, it kind of lights your body up reflexively. And what I mean by that is once you pull with the feet, your hip flexors engage, and it just kind of sucks your body back. But the really cool thing is what it does for your back muscles. And that's the part that I really like, because when you use your toes to pull your butt back towards your feet, your entire back muscles just kind of like light up and say, hey, I'm right here, how you doing? So, and again, this is just a variation of rocking. It's not that it's gonna, change your life or anything, but it feels good, and it turns some really good reflexive responses on in your body. So give this a shot. If you have stairs, put your feet off the edge of your stairs, or you just try it on your bed. Just hang your feet off the edge of your bed, and you can play with where you put your feet. So you can go full top of your foot to pull yourself down, which feels very different from just putting your toes off and using your toes to grab the edge of the stairs or the bed to pull yourself back. And then you can also play with speed. You can pull yourself back gradually, or you can kind of just really pull yourself back, and then obviously you'll feel a little bit different contraction or response in your body depending on how fast you do it. But that's it. It's a simple drill, and again, this is a great drill to teach you how to pull yourself down into a squat versus just fall down into a squat. All right, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. Thank you, Kirsten. I am Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time. Oh, wait. Before you go, remember, kids, to respect your elderberries. They keep you from getting sick. Aha! All right, we'll see you next time.